Yun, Sunday, 5:15. Hindi tayo nakaride yesterday and today in the morning. But eto, mabul tayo ng mabilis na ride. Shout out sa mga master ko from Toronto, Kasaklay, and Bautista, and from Abu Dhabi, and mga master sa Pilipinas, and to all my friends, colleagues, family, relatives, and known donors for helping me on my great cycle challenge. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mabilis na ride lang ito, about 20 kilometers, probably 1 hour before doing household chores, cooking and watering the plants. Good day, happy Sunday to all, and mabuhay tayong lahat. God bless, thank you so much. Yun ulit, hindi ko nabanggit kanina. Very windy at 18 degrees, medyo malamig na. Kaya susunod na panahon nito, naka-jacket na tayo uli. It's getting colder now, and sometimes it's rainy because of the changing weather. And yun nga, at saka madali nang dumilim ngayon. 6 o'clock madilim na yata, o 7. Normally mga 9:30 pag summertime, maaraw pa. Andito ulit tayo sa Humber River. Alright, thank you. Yun, no? Itong Humber River Recreational Trail na to, combine ito ng walk, cycling, running, at saka yung mga roller braids. Bawal lang dito yung motorized. Dito lugar na to, maraming tumatawid na deer, kaya watch out. Maanggo na lugar dito naamoy ko nga Dito sumemplang ako dito one time sa bridge na to, tumama ako dyan sa poste. Ang park na to, pwede kang mag picnic tulad yan, yan, nagpipiknik yan, nagluluto, nag-iihaw. Bring your own chair, tables and food, and invite your friends. They can they can have a birthday party here sometimes. Yan ang parking lot, yan. Lakas talaga yung hangin, Okay, I think that's about it for today. See you on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Yun, dito na magwawakas ang ating maikling ride. 22.7, siguro pagdating sa bahay 23. Anyhow, happy 33rd anniversary, mommy. Have a good day to all.